A chain is a series of links, usually of metal, joined together to form a flexible connector for various purposes such as holding, pulling, hoisting, hauling, conveying, and transmitting power. Chains are often replaced as they wear out and start to create problems in their function. There are lots of used chains lying around, and in recent years, due to the concept of recycling and repurposing, chains are getting popularity as making materials for furniture and decor items. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our chain furniture and decor ideas video. This video contains a collection of simple welding projects you can make from chains and which were not covered in the part 1 video. You can pick your favorite design and try to make it at home, or show it to a local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, use the link in the video description or somewhere on the screen to watch it. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Chain has been around for thousands of years. The earliest sign of its likely use date back to ancient Egypt, sometime between 3150 to 332 BC, for moving water in bucket elevator systems. Such systems were also used during the Han Dynasty in China, around 202 BC to 220 AD, to move water around rice terraces. Early Chinese illustrations show a technique similar to modern drop-fork chain conveyors, where attachments effectively pull the water along a channel. Towards the end of the 2nd century BC, Greek engineer Philo of Byzantium also documented the use of chain in a repeating crossbow, where two flat link chains connected to a windlass would wound back and forth, automatically firing arrows until empty. Later, there are references to forged or round link chain on Roman and Viking ships. The earliest sign of something akin to today's leaf chain comes from Leonardo da Vinci, 1952 to 1519, who sketched what appears to be a steel chain consisting of plates and pins. He also sketched a tooth wheel driving a conveyor belt. Does this mean Da Vinci invented industrial chain as we know it? Maybe not. Like many of his designs, it is unclear whether they made it from paper to real life. Crediting a single inventor of modern industrial chain is also impossible due to the nature of scientific discovery in the past. In today's highly connected world, where we can access almost any information at the click of a button, it seems strange to think of inventors making similar advances and discoveries completely independent of each other. But historians have noted many instances of this occurring, and there may be even more given how difficult and costly it was to register a patent before the mid-19th century. Types of chains and their uses. There are various types of chains designed for various uses. Some of them are listed as follows. Number 1. Ball and chain. It refers to a restraining device used to slow down prisoners. Therefore, ball and chain is the term used to chains used in restraining or slowing down prisoners. Bicycle chain or chain drive. This chain transfers power from the pedal of a bicycle to the drive wheels, thus propelling the bicycle. It is the main distinguishing feature of a safety bicycle. Based on its shape and function, it is classified as a roller chain. Bicycle locking chain. It is a chain used for locking a bicycle to a stationary post. Chain gun. It is a type of machine gun that utilizes a chain driven by an external power source to actuate the mechanism rather than using recoil. Chain link fencing. This type of fencing utilizes vertical wires that are bent in a zigzag fashion and linked to each other. Chain link levies. This is a lifting device made of two curved steel legs. Chain of office. It is a collar or heavy gold chain worn as an insignia of office or mark of fealty in medieval Europe and the United Kingdom. Chain pump. It is a type of water pump where an endless chain has circular discs positioned on it to lift the water. Chainsaw. It is a portable, mechanical, motorized saw commonly used in logging activities such as felling, limbing, and bucking. Chain shot. It is a type of ammunition for a cannon used to inflict structural damage to a vessel during naval warfare. Weapon chain. This medieval weapon was made one or more weights attached to a handle with a chain. Curb chain. It is used on curb beats when riding a horse. Door chain. It is a type of security chain on a door that allows one to open a door from the inside while making it difficult for someone outside to force his way or her way in. Flat chain. This form of chain is used chiefly in agricultural machinery. Jack chain. This toothed chain is used to move logs. Jewelry chain. Many necklaces and bracelets are made of small chains of gold and silver. Key chain. This small chain connects a small item to a key ring. Ladder chain. It is a light wire chain used with sprockets for low torque power transmission. Lead shank or stud chain. It is used on difficult horses that are misbehaving. Leg iron chains or fetters. They are used as an alternative to handcuffs. Omega chain. It's a pseudo chain in which the links are mounted on a backing rather than being interlinked. O-ring chain. It's a specialized type of roller chain This type of chain is most commonly used for the transmission of mechanical power in bicycles, motorcycles, and industrial and agricultural machinery. Snow chain. It is used to move traction in the snow. Timing chain. It is used as an internal combustion engine to transfer rotational position from the crankshaft to the valve and ignition system, typically with a 2-to-1 speed reduction. Well, these are just some of the types of chains and the terms associated with the word chain. The modern chain has so many uses, and so many spare chains are available for us to use as decorative pieces or as furniture making items. As you can see in the video, there are several furniture items or several decorative items you can make from chains, from bracelets to tables, chairs, and so on. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting chain furniture and decor item ideas for your inspiration. We hope that this video has inspired you in some way to make your own pieces by following the templates or the pictures found in this video. We would love to hear from you. If you tell us which one is your favorite and why, you can let us know in the comment section. By now, you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.